Are you looking for the best woodworking vises in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best woodworking vises that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Yost M9WW Rapid Acting 9 Woodworking Vise. Yost has been producing tools for over a century and has a passion for creating long-lasting clamping tools. This Yost M9WW Rapid Acting 9 Woodworking Vise is made to perfect standards for optimum performance and is intended for amateur and professional craftsmen. The quick-release mechanism, which disengages the screw for faster adjustment, is one of its most impressive features. All we had to do is pull the trigger and then slide the jaw back and forth to accomplish this. We've used this woodworking vise to hold the wood in sizes ranging from 1 inch up to 4 inches thick, and we couldn't be satisfied with how well it functions and how quickly it simplifies somewhat complicated tasks. This is an excellent value for the price and performance. It is an excellent tool and we are extremely pleased with this woodworking vise. Up next in the 4th place is the TEKTON 53986 6/2 Woodworking Vise. This TEKTON 53986 6/2 Woodworking Vise is a face mount workbench that can be attached to the side of the workbench rather than on top. This is also known as a front vise for woodworking. It is built from 30,000 psi tensile strength cast iron, which ensures toughness and reliability. During our testing process, we can mount this vise to our workbench either using simple or flush mounting positions depending on our needs also. We can mount the jaws by using lag bolts to the underside of the workbench and wood screws through the jaw face, and it perfectly fits on the go. Additionally, we appreciated how the jaw travel is driven by twin steel rails to ensure equal contact between the jaw and the work material to take full advantage of the grip and avoid wood surface damage. Keep in mind that since it has a hard and rough surface, custom-made pads of hardwood or soft pine must be added to avoid fine wood surfaces being damaged. Yet in general, this woodworking vise is a high-quality recreational woodworking vise that is ideal for our small to medium woodworking ventures. The 3rd product on our list is the Eclipse Quick Release 10 Woodworking Vise. If you're looking for a woodworking vise with a fast release mechanism, this Eclipse Quick Release 10 Woodworking Vise is the best choice. It has a fast and simple way of realigning our workpieces, which is particularly useful when working on a large woodworking project. It also fitted with an adjustable front stop, which allows us to execute more clamping, particularly when using it with a bench stop. Further, with its adjustable front stop, we can use this woodworking vise as a tail vise or even as a regular vise depending on our ongoing project. Furthermore, the jaws of this vise have a feature that allows for positive clamping even when clamping pressure is high, and it comes with a Tommy bar for added protection, which protects the vise from excessive pressure and stress. We've been testing this woodworking vise since 2018, and it's been rock solid for the past 3 years. It's holding up well on an 8/4 oak tabletop, and the fast release mechanism still works like when we first mounted it. Second on our list is the Irwin 226361 6/2 Woodworking Vise. This Irwin 226361 6/2 Woodworking Vise is an excellent entry-level woodworking vise that has proven to be a very useful addition to our workbench. The mounting installation is so simple that we bolted it to a workbench and it took just 15 minutes to complete. Since our bench is made up of 3 2x12 planks, we simply added a 3/4 inches spacer, and indeed the top edge of the vise perfectly aligned with the top of our bench. It's made of tough forged iron, has a 4/2 inches jaw capacity, and a toe-in toward the top jaws for a firm grip on our workpieces. Also, it has a provision for installing wood cheeks to secure our work materials. This is a good woodworking vise at a great price, and we're very pleased with it. Finally, the top product on our list is the Shop Fox D43289 Quick Release Wood Vise. The Shop Fox D43289 Quick Release Wood Vise has been engineered to deliver years of effortless woodworking service. It is made to cater workbenches with a thickness of 2/4 inches or greater, but with the use of a shim, it can be adjusted to workbenches with a thickness of 1/2 inches or less. The jaws are pre-drilled to enable the installation and attachment of custom non-marring jaw faces to secure workpiece materials. It provides longevity and years of reliable use with cast iron construction, while the fast release lever enables us to utilize this woodworking vise quickly and efficiently. It also comes with sliding stop dogs that can be used with bench dogs that make woodworking life easier when dealing with materials that are too long for the vise to hold. Ultimately, it is slightly cheaper compared with its several rivals, making it our best value pick.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.